Essentials is a second-hand fashion marketplace, mainly based in Denmark, but we are active in the Scandinavian region. But about 90% of the activity is within Denmark. We give the sellers the opportunity to create a listing where they can sell their used shoes, bags, dresses or other fashion related items, and then we will try to find a buyer for them. We earn our money by either the seller is paying a VIP membership where they can get access to extra features, or they choose to enhance the listing by buying a top rating, so it will always be in the top result when you search. And we also have some other promotional services for the seller, so they get more page views for their listing. We also have an attached e-wallet system with an integrated payment system, so the buyer and the seller don't need to meet in person, but they can wire money between the two accounts, where the seller will then pay 4% to us and the buyer will pay 2% to us. Then we have banners and advertising on the web page as well, which is like really traditional advertising, which you know from a lot of other web pages. And we also sell like smaller stuff like poster labels. Overall, about 50% of the revenue comes from the payment system. About 25% comes from VIP memberships. About 20% comes from banner advertising, and the rest is coming from promotional services and the poster labels. The turnover is about 45 million Danish kroner per year. Well, we have a very flat hierarchy, but we have some administrative departments. We have a compliance department making sure that fraud is very low. That's also where we have the legal manager working for us, making sure that nobody is breaking the law in terms of image rights. And we have an internal bookkeeper as well, just making sure that the salaries is paid and the reporting works towards our shareholders. Then we have a creative department, which makes sure that all graphics is produced for the web page and for the apps. We have a support department, which handles about 80,000 support requests from the users each year. Then we have a communication department, which is communicating to the users, both the current users we have, but also trying to get new users we don't have. That's also where we have SEO resources and stuff like that. Then we have an IT department with about 11 people, where they are split in a client team, making sure the front end works on all the clients, and we have a back end team making sure the API works, and we have a database resource as well.
Yeah.
Usually we say that we have a range of USPs, unique selling points, where we have the biggest inventory in the Scandinavian region. We have almost 900,000 listings for sale, only within the fashion category. We also say that we are the most active site. We have some very active users who ask a lot of questions directly on the ads. It's about 1.5 million questions each month, which is put into the system.
Yeah.
Then we also say that we have the most genuine content, because we don't allow fakes. So we have a moderator team as well through the support department, who looks at every listing which is put for sale and closes down if it's a fake or if there's something weird about it. And then we are very secure due to the buyer protection we have in the payment system. It's females between 20 35 years old. Direct competitors we have is eBay through a Danish company called DBA, but they are a horizontal player, so they have everything for sale from cars, real estate, and also fashion. But they have about 1.2 million things for sale, and if you compare it to us, we are a niche vertical player where we only have fashion-related items, and we have about 900,000 items for sale. So we have it's much easier to find what you're looking for at Trend Sales, and we are at the same time we have a huge supply. Then we have a new direct competitor called WeShopper, who are a niche in our niche. They only target the moms and the kids category. So they make it even easier for the customer at their marketplace, because they only see kids clothing, whereas on Trend Sales you see everything. And then indirectly we have competitors like Facebook groups, but also e-commerce players like Zalando. That's the same as our USPs. So it's easy to find what you're looking for. It's very secure, and you can do a one-click payment. Right now we are facing two big challenges. One is the payment market has changed in Denmark due to a mobile payment solution from one of the biggest Danish banks, and the other one is the mobile transformation. So right now we are working on a completely new marketplace and a completely new platform in order to cope with these challenges. You can say that overall, whenever you deal with second-hand, you're environmental friendly, which is important for some of our users. And then at the same time, we also is very much looking into charity options, because we think that those two areas works very well together. So we have a high focus on environmental friendship by reusing your clothing and not putting more CO2 into the atmosphere by producing new jeans. But it's also about giving back through charity. It will most likely be Switzerland and Sweden and Norway. We have no legal or taxation issues with expanding the market, because we would most likely expand it to some more Scandinavian countries. But the overall challenge is that we have a very old product, and it's difficult to go into a new market with the old product. Because you're big in Denmark, but it's difficult to scale it to Norway and Sweden when it's not on the technology, when it's not completely modern or very mobile friendly. So right now we have put everything on hold in terms of expansions, and is working on the new product. And then when that's ready, we will look into putting it into the new markets as well.